Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll walk you through the steps on how you can transfer money from PayPal to your bank account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now before you transfer money from PayPal to your bank account, make sure that you've already linked your bank account to your PayPal. In case if you haven't linked your bank account, then you'll not be able to transfer it. So then let's get started. First thing, you need to log in into your PayPal account, and once you're logged into your account, this is what the interface is going to look like. And as soon as you open up your PayPal account, you will be able to see a PayPal balance in the main page, and in order to transfer it, you need to click on PayPal balance. So as a result, next interface, you need to tap on transfer, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. Next interface, you'll be able to see the bank detail that is linked to your PayPal account. Now in case if you have a multiple account linked to your PayPal, then you'll need to select a particular bank where you want to transfer it, and after you're done selecting it, tap on next, and then you'll need to enter the amount that you want to transfer it. And once you're done entering the amount, once again there's a confirmation, and make sure to double check all of the following information, and if you're sure about it, tap on confirm, and then you'll be notified about the transaction. So that is how you can transfer money from your PayPal to your bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.